Meaning of espalier.
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 Espalier. Espalier refers to a horticultural practice of training trees or shrubs to grow flat against a wall, fence, or trellis, rather than in their natural upright form. This is done by pruning and shaping the plant's growth to create a two-dimensional pattern. The result is a decorative and space-saving method of growing fruit trees, ornamental plants, and privacy screens. Espalier can also offer increased sun exposure and easier maintenance access. It requires patience and skill, but can be rewarding for both aesthetic and practical purposes in a garden or orchard setting.